Hi guys! I'm so bored here in our office. So, kakantahan ko na lang kayo. Siguro, gagayahin ko yung mga boses ng mga favorite singers niyo like Vina Morales, Shasha Padilla, Ariana Grande, sino pa ba? Yun. Sige. Let's start with Vina Morales. Pangako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko sa hirap at ginhawa ng ating pag-ibig, upang di makalayo kailanman pagkatutuhan mo ay minsan lang sa buhay ko. Next. Ito medyo old na to eh. Sobrang common na nito. Miss Shasha Padilla. Di ba ako'y tao lang na nadadarang at natutok sa rin? Kaya alis mo pa sa'kin na matutuhan kong damhin sa bawat sandaling hiram natin. Next. Ariana Grande. She's really my favorite. Okay. I was a liar, I gave in to the fire. I know I should have done it, listen, being honest. Feel like a failure, cause I know that I failed you. And I know that you got everything, but why couldn't be rescued? Yeah. So one last time, I need to be the one that takes you home. One more time, I promise after that I'll let you go. Yun lang, nangungulit lang ako.